Hello, hello. Welcome to Awakening to Quantum with Nina. Today, I just wanted to give you a little sound bath, a little meditation or a little short sound bath of my bowls so that we can set the intention for healing. But before we do that, then if you're new to my channel, welcome in. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I am a channeler, I am a psychic medium and a healer, and I share my journey. So I hope that people can find beneficial information in my videos and that it can use it for something. So that's kind of why I'm here. But let us do the healing bowls today. So I'm going to use some bowls and make some music here. So I want you to find a good position and just relax and just kind of take it all in. I'm going to use 3 different bowls with a little bit of sounds. These are my personal bowls. They're not, I haven't checked if they're tuned into a special, healing frequency or anything, but I use these all the time and I really feel like they're helping me. So I wanted to try and see if they can help you. So find a position that's really comfortable, and I will be quiet for a while and we will just listen to the sounds of the bowls, and then I will talk a little bit in the end and we'll see what happens, okay? So close your eyes, just relax your body and just allow the sounds to come towards you. And if something comes up, if there are some emotions, just allow them to come up, feel them through, and just release. Okay, that's kind of the main message of these bowls, I feel. Okay, so let's start. Okay, that was the healing bowls. I hope that that gave you something today. The sound and the vibration of these bowls, they set us, they start doing something with my physical form when I listen to them. It moves the energy in my physical form. So often it can rattle up some emotional stuff. And if it did that for you, you just feel it through and you just release it. And then you fill in with the light. So just allow the light to come into your form now, after releasing whatever it is that you have released. And just sit there and just allow it to come in. So that's kind of what I wanted to share today. And you can use whatever bowls you have at home as long as they're metal. And as long as you have a stick, you can make music. You can even also use a glass with like a wine glass and fill it with water. Dip your finger in it and just move it, on the top of the glass. And that will also make that round and beautiful sound that can help move the energies in our physical form. So that was just a little tip from me to you today. Thank you so much for being part of this video. Wishing you a beautiful day wherever you are in the world. Till the next time I see you.